Did someone bully the wrong person? There was this girl in my 7th grade named Quinn who barely spoke to anyone. She wore the same faded gray hoodie almost every day and always sat alone at lunch, usually reading some thick book while eating a packed sandwich. Most kids ignored her, but some of the popular kids started calling her janitor's kid behind her back because her dad cleaned our school every evening. The worst part was watching kids deliberately drop trash near Quinn just to see if her dad would have to clean it up later. They thought it was hilarious. Quinn never reacted. She'd just keep reading her book like nothing happened. Then this kid Jake decided to take it further. During lunch on a Tuesday, he walked over to Quinn's table carrying his tray of leftover sloppy joe and chocolate milk. Without warning, he dumped the whole mess right on her hoodie and backpack. The cafeteria erupted in laughter. Everyone was pulling out their phones to record. I expected Quinn to cry or run to the bathroom.